Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Central, Local, and Long Distance Movers near me. If you need to move your possessions into or out of Louisiana, you need to identify how you want them delivered by involving the expertise of movers. At 3 Movers, we are conscious of your challenges. That is why we will come with our team of experts and simplify the whole process for you. We have vast experience handling long-distance moves, including out-of-the-country moves for well over a decade with outstanding customer service. We are authorized to provide moving services by federal and local authorities through licenses and insurance. We have packing services and loading, and we have special packaging for long-distance moves, including containers. We also offer storage facilities awaiting collection. Our trucks are specially designed to handle delicate possessions. Careful planning is crucial to a seamless move. Rather than bundling all your belongings into a truck and ferrying them haphazardly and risk losses and tears, talk to us and we won't charge you for a quotation. Consider it our job to take care of your property throughout the journey. We package and load accordingly, and when the goods arrive, we will offload, unpack, and arrange for you. We will ensure that you get time for other commitments. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our central moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.